What's up, everybody? I'm going to physically attempt to show you how to put a steering wheel cover on a car with a little bit of ease. You'll have to bear with me because of the strange filming angle that we got going on here. Alright, so I'm going to run around to the driver's side and hop in and see if we can't get this party started. Okay, everybody, now that we've decided what's wrong or what we're going to try to fix, let me see if we can actually physically see what's going on inside of this. I think we can see it good enough. Okay. Oh, might need one more little thing first. By the way, I'm grabbing it real quick. My goals with these videos are to help you get little tasks done, help you and your family save some money by doing stuff yourself, and then on top of that, we'd like for you to subscribe if we've earned it, and then if you want to buy anything that we're doing, we have it on Amazon listed inside of the inside of our description. So, on average, we get these steering wheel covers. You got to make sure they're the right size right off the bat. But there is an easier way / harder way to do this. It'd be nice if we took all the styrofoam out of this. Once you know you've got the right size, it's no problem. Alright, so I think it's going to be kind of a tight fit. That's okay. What we're going to do is we're going to feed this starting at the top. By the way, if someone's got a better way to do this, by all means share. Sorry, I just seen the seam at the top. It's got to be at the bottom. So we're looking for the seam to be directly at the bottom. That's how we know we're at the right spot. And try to straighten your wheel up. Okay, there we go. At least I have the AC on. That's not too bad. How's everybody doing today anyway? So we're going to just we want to make sure that's on nice and tight. I say tight. I'm just saying like it's just snugged on there to where there's no open gaps, because it does require a little bit of effort. Now, for a little bit of a lubricant, I use the VLR. And two things. One, this is, they say it's leather. I doubt it's real actual leather. But in the inside of this, you can kind of see it's got like a little, like a plasticky feel. And you see this right here is for vinyl leather rubber. So whatever that product is, I'm going to turn around and I'm just going to put it up inside of this bad boy, because we are going to need it to slide. Take my fingers, just kind of do this little deal. I just want to make sure that we are lubed up across the board. If not, this can be such a pain, and it's going to be a little bit of a pain anyway. Get you a cloth out. I use a little terry cloth. Keeps it from hurting too bad. Alright. Then you just kind of start working it. Which, you know, for ladies with fingernails, this is kind of a rough way to do it. I'm continuously pushing that edge. Around, and then I got my, okay, so I did it. So as I'm pushing in, hopefully you guys can see, let me see if you can actually see that edge right here. So this edge right here, as I'm pushing it down, I'm pushing that edge around, and because it's slick, it causes it to slide over. Now, it did require some effort, but nowhere near the amount of effort it takes when you don't have a lubricant. So, okay, so when you get done with this thing, you kind of make sure you're getting any kind of extras off here. which we're doing right now. And of course we don't want to leave handprints on our brand new wheel cover. And I always go with the leather ones if I can get away with it, because the monotone or like the solid gray, solid black tends to really blend with the interior. But if you had like a, let's just say they had one that had like a little chrome band or some little different material trying to, you know, break it up some, then it's obviously not supposed to be there as soon as someone gets in the car. But this right here, I feel like it enhances, it gives it a deeper, richer look. And of course, if you've just detailed the car, you want to make sure you definitely clean up after your mess, which I'm doing right now. Meanwhile, nothing but love and peace from the car man. We're broadcasting out of the RVA. Stay tuned, I got something crazy going on. I'm going to try to use a mother's wheel polish on a headlight. One of my boys swear it works. I've never tried it, but if it does work, it's certainly a cheaper alternative than what you have to buy on a normal day for that, you know, the polishes that are specifically for that. So we'll try it out. Meanwhile, I hope this was somewhat helpful, and I'm going to get this camera and see if I can show you this just a little bit better. So I think it came out fine. And like I said, I mean, she's on there nice, and I mean, it's just on there nice and secure. It feels great. I mean, it's just got a great little, for $8, you're really adding to the value of the vehicle. Just want to throw that out there. Meanwhile, I hope all you guys have a good, safe day. Nothing but love once again, and I'm on to the next video. See ya, baby.